Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Santander Bank, secure access step by step clearly. To log into Santander Bank, begin by opening your preferred internet browser. In the address bar, type in the official Santander Bank website URL. Press the Enter key to navigate to the website. Once the page loads, look for the Login button, typically located at the top right corner. Click on the Login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login screen. Here, you'll see two fields, one for your username and one for your password. Enter your username in the designated field. After entering your username, move to the password field. Type in your password carefully to avoid any errors. Double-check your entries for accuracy. Once you are satisfied with your username and password, click on the Login button again. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your account dashboard. In case you forget your password, click the Forgot Password link located below the login fields. Follow the prompts to reset your password securely. If you experience any issues logging in, you can contact Santander's customer support for assistance. Always ensure you are using a secure connection when logging in to protect your personal information. For added security, consider enabling two-factor authentication if you haven't done so already. Once you are finished using your account, make sure to log out, especially if using a shared device. That concludes the login process for Santander Bank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.